away from you guys, because you guys are just gonna kill me. What the hell is that?
It's too Marjorie.
Oh, Jacob, you bastard.
Hey.
Move over there so I can see them.
Oh wait, before we go too far, there's a bit of a dumb thing. You can kill them before they start attacking you. Just wait here, wait here.
Yeah.
You can like shoot them from here. And then they don't come and get you, it's really dumb.
Oh dear. Who triggered it?
Kalima!
Clever, Jacob.
I didn't do anything.
That's me. And I am clever, thank you very much.
Ah, healy, healy. Ah.
What?
Shouldn't we combine and be like,
Oh, we have Nullify, by the way.
what's that?
It undoes all your spells.
Rod of Emergency Teleport. How do I
So
use rain?
You can do that, basically.
Oh. That's not rain, that's death.
Jacob's just gonna steal your staff now.
No, I don't like that one.
No,
So how do you use rain? Because it stays here and I can't do anything about it.
What are you
not
chatting
right.
about?
Like there's a little thing underneath my guy.
Oh, you scroll,
scroll.
and it shows you the list of magics.
Oh.
Oh shit, it's this mission.
Nullify.
Oh, that's good.
What was that?
It's like the best spell.
Oh, that's a troll. Killing your friends and doing it wrong. Jacob,
What?
you triggered the second troll.
It's fine, they're not very hard.
Yeah, but it's me playing this game.
I like
I'm
that.
stuck in a corner. I'm stuck in a corner. Yes, I'm stuck in a corner.
Oh god.
Nathe, are you dead?
I got stuck in a corner by it.
Well, you're not dead.
I'm just washing all the blood.
I am dead.
Look at all the blood.
Oh, there
Wash
you
it
are.
away.
Okay. I was using Nullify by accident. Hey, who used fire? You don't. That you can freeze them all now. Look, it's really funny.
Oh, or I could die.
Yeah, all that.
How many achievements are there for this? They keep popping up.
There's loads.
Ah.
Which make it an awesome game.
Ooh, I'm gonna die. That's water. Oh, can I use that on myself? Like nullify thing. Like.
Why didn't you die from that?
Ah, you can do that. That's so cool.
Do you not get hurt? What? Why didn't you die from that?
That's not very nice.
Hello.
I think it's cool we finished the level or something.
No.
Look, I'm wet.
Ah.
How can you just like appear?
This is an umpire.
Oh, a big snake. Oh, a big.
Oh, by the way you kill this is by using shields.
Well, that's the only way.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
right.
you basically just put shields everywhere,
How'd you use a shield?
like that,
Like what?
like that.
Well, that's bloody great. And it's gonna go for me.
Press E and then
Oh, it didn't work. Press E and then what?
and
Oh,
then
is that it?
just conjure. And then when he like bangs into them, he gets hurted. See? Ouch. Ow!
I get hurted as well.
I died. Can someone
do I do that?
revive me?
Oh, W A.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I was about to do it. Can we not just like set fire to him and destroy him? Like,
No,
Well,
you
can.
can't.
No, it's a bit gay. Oh, I've just. Basically, you just put shields when he's about to lunge at you, like this. Look.
they are mines. How'd you do so many?
If
Hold
you're
on.
in a...
If you're in
Hello?
What?
Ever thought of letting Jesus into your life? No.
a- How'd you do? Oh,
Woo!
for that, I'm not reviving you.
Oh, that was glitch.
But see, if you do a shield inside it, it gets hurt.
If you make it so that it hits its head on a shield, it dies.
It dies.
Like that, just like that. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
The
that's-
easiest way is just to, you see
How do you
that?
do the circle shield?
You hold shift. If you hold shift with any spell, it does it like with a radius.
Area effect.
Ah, that is awesome.
Yeah, you can put it on your sword as well.
No, but and then you make it a wall, and it looks awesome.
Yeah.
Burning rocks of fire!
Oh!
Oh!
That was a shot.
And then it explodes.
Get to
Right,
go.
we-
Let's go this way.
Sure. No. Boost. There's a thing over there. It died. Oh, okay.
Yay!
Revenge of the Trials.
Don't you get... Oh no, you get something really cool here, don't you?
You what?
A Dunderhead. He died.
You what?
Nothing, don't worry. Space!
Yeah. Oh, space. No, I'm not.
No.
No. It's a loading screen, Nathe. You can't skip loading screen. I'm just hoping it started recording when I pressed the button.
Probably did.
That'd be funny.
It's just got my audio of me talking to myself for like an hour and a half. Ah!
Hello, I'm not a vampire.
Let's skip this, I don't care.
I'm skipping it. I'm skipping it.
You get the assault machine gun from this. You get
Yeah.
the heavy machine. I love this mission. Run. Fuck it. Go for this mission.
What the?
Oh, it's the sheep. Ah, the sheep are awesome in this game.
Oh, they're just like, yeah.
They're not sheep. They're demons. I'm pretty sure they're resistant to fire, aren't they? Seeing as they're demons.
They're resistant to arcane, maybe?
No.
I don't know.
Arcane kills
Oh no, arcane hurts them lots.
a lot, actually.
Oh, that's a villager.
That's
Oh,
a
well,
villager.
I'll carry on with what I started.
There's a man there, Jacob.
A man? I don't think that's a man.
No, don't go this way. Don't we get anything from it?
No, don't think so.
Ow!
There's a man there.
It's not a man, Nathe.
Same difference.
Oh, it's so good.
So is it stronger if you like press it lots of times and then do
Yes, yeah. But then when you combine it with other spells, it's also stronger. Like that.
Yeah, that's really helpful, Jack.
it? I know.
Oh. Thanks.
It's okay.
Oh well, it doesn't really matter.
Sorry.
Stop using lightning.
What about fire lightning?
I wish you didn't.
But it's fire lightning.